Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 1040 form in TurboTax. So all you have to do is head over to Intuit TurboTax and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, we're just going to click on a random button in our progress bar. Then we'll be redirected to our dashboard. Then in the left panel, just scroll down, then click on Tax Tools and scroll down once again, then click on Print Center. Next, just click on Print, Save, or Preview this year's return. And from here, you might be prompted to choose between Pay Later or Pay Now. Once the payment is done, you should be redirected to the TurboTax Print Center page where you can choose what files you'd like to print or download. Next is you're going to need to select which forms you'd like to print or download. Make sure that you include government and TurboTax worksheet as this also includes Form 1040. Then once done, just head over and click on View or Print Forms. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!